She will remember the man who made her feel something real. Not because he was perfect, but because he refused to be anyone but himself. That kind of man doesn't chase applause. He leaves a nacho. Listen, most men think the shortcut to being unforgettable is gifts, smooth talk, or endless yeses. That's lazy. Women don't file memories by presents. They keep a small stubborn ledger of moments that bent them. Moments that changed how they saw themselves or how they saw men. The man who lives in that ledger isn't always the richest or the flashiest. He's the one who moves her inside. I'm going to walk you through 10 things men do that women never ever forget. These aren't tricks. They're simple behaviors that show backbone, honesty, and self-respect. Do them right and you become a mark that won't fade. Do them wrong and you're just another name she forgets next week. 1. The man who says no without fear. Every woman remembers the man who could say no and mean it. No anger, no hesitation. Just a steady voice that told her he wasn't scared of losing approval. Most men say yes because they think it'll make her love them more. They skip work, cancel plans, swallow their pride. It feels good at first, but deep down, she loses respect because women don't trust men who bend too easily. They admire the ones who stand on something firm. Imagine she asks you to drop your priorities for her comfort. The ordinary man folds. The unforgettable man looks her in the eye and says, "Not tonight. I've got things to do." It stings her pride for a second, but hours later, that moment replays in her mind. Why didn't he just agree? Because he's built different. A calm no isn't rejection. It's self-respect. When a man can disappoint her without losing himself, she sees power. A woman might test you, but she never forgets the man who can draw a line with grace. Most guys fear upsetting her. The unforgettable man fears losing himself. That's the difference between being liked for a week and remembered for years. 2. The man who walks away. There's something haunting about a man who walks away quietly. No drama, no shouting, just silence and distance. Most men beg when things fall apart. They chase, text again, try to fix what's broken. But the man who leaves with dignity. He burns a different kind of memory. When you walk away, you flip her reality. She's used to control. She expects you to fight. So when you don't, her mind scrambles for answers. Why didn't he chase me? That question doesn't fade easily. Picture this. She disrespects you, ignores you for days, maybe even flaunts it. Most men stick around, hoping things will change. The unforgettable man feels the shift and chooses silence. That silence is loud. It echoes in her head when everyone else's voice fades. Walking away isn't arrogance. It's knowing your worth. It says, "I won't stay where I'm treated small." That message hits deeper than 1,000 words. Years later, she might not remember your face clearly, but she'll remember how you didn't beg. The man who can walk away leaves behind a scar, not of pain, but of respect. 3. The man who doesn't compete for your attention. The moment you start competing for a woman's attention, you already lowered your worth. Every day, she's flooded with attention, messages, compliments, likes. Most men think adding theirs to the pile will make a difference. It doesn't. It makes them invisible. But the man who doesn't compete, he becomes a mystery. He's not cold. He's just busy living. And that's what pulls her in. She texts you, and you don't rush. You reply when you want, not when you're told. You don't chase a validation. That calm detachment flips your psychology. She starts to think, why isn't he trying harder? Curiosity becomes obsession. See, attention is like money. When you give too much, it loses value. The unforgettable man treats his attention like gold. Heifers it with intent, not habit. He's not competing for her spotlight. He creates his own. And that confidence, quiet, grounded, becomes unforgettable. She won't remember the ones who begged for her time. She'll remember the one who made her crave his. 4. The man who calls out disrespect calmly. Every woman will test boundaries, sometimes without realizing it. The difference between a forgettable man and an unforgettable one lies in how he handles it. Most men stay quiet. They laugh off rudeness, pretend it's fine, hoping she'll see their patience. But silence isn't strength. It's surrender. Then there's the man who speaks up, not to fight, but to hold space for truth. She talks down to him in front of friends, and later he looks her in the eye and says, "That wasn't okay." No yelling, no guilt, just calm honesty. That moment burns into her memory, because deep down, women respect men who won't allow disrespect, especially when they do it without losing composure. She might argue in the moment, but later she'll think about it. That quiet firmness makes her see him differently. You don't earn respect by avoiding conflict. You earn it by setting boundaries with grace. Women forget men who bend. They remember the ones who make them reflect. 5. The man who controls his desire. Desire is natural, but letting it control you, that's weakness. A woman can feel when a man loses himself in lust. His words change. His energy changes. He becomes eager, almost desperate, and desperation kills mystery. The unforgettable man feels attraction, but doesn't drown in it. He stays calm, measured, unshaken. That control isn't coldness, it's power. Imagine she teases you, expecting the usual reaction. Instead, you smile and change the subject. That restraint hits harder than compliments, because it shows discipline. And women link discipline to strength. The man who can master his desire sends a silent message. I'm not ruled by emotion. That's rare. That's magnetic. When a man doesn't chase every impulse, he becomes someone she can trust. Not because he's perfect, but because he owns himself. And here's the truth. The men who can't control their desires disappear fast. The ones who can stay in her thoughts long after the moment is gone. 6. The man who makes her earn his respect. Respect means nothing if it's free. Most men hand it out the moment a woman looks their way. They treat her like a queen, without even knowing her character. That kind of respect feels cheap. The unforgettable man watches. He listens. He waits. He doesn't disrespect her, but he doesn't worship her either. He studies her actions, how she treats others, how she reacts under pressure. Only then does he give full respect. And when he does, it hits differently because it was earned. Psychologically, people value what they work for. When she realizes your respect isn't automatic, she starts putting in effort. That effort grows into attachment. The man who makes her earn his respect becomes a quiet challenge. She can't forget him because he made her step up. Easy men get forgotten. Selective men get remembered. 7. The man who withholds. Easy validation. Validation is a drug, and women get a daily dose from hundreds of men. Compliments, likes, messages, all cheap, all empty. But when one man doesn't play that game, his silence stands out. He doesn't flood her with praise. When he does speak, it's real. You handled that like a pro. Or you look peaceful tonight, simple, sincere, and rare. That kind of validation hits harder, because it's earned. She replays it in her head. She thinks he actually noticed me. Psychology says, what's scarce feels valuable. The man who measures his words becomes unforgettable because his attention feels genuine, not transactional. While other men are loud, he's quiet. And that quiet makes more and wise than their compliments ever could. 8. The man who breaks her routine. Routine feels safe but dull. Most men fit neatly into her schedule. Same texts, same calls, same small talk. Forgettable. The unforgettable man. He disrupts her rhythm softly, unexpectedly. He doesn't text at the usual time. He plans things she didn't see coming. A late night drive. A walk under rain. A question that goes deeper than, how was your day? Those moments break her pattern. And when the pattern breaks, emotions rise. The human brain remembers emotional peaks not steady lines. That's why she forgets the ones who played it safe and remembers the one who made her feel something new. You don't need chaos. You just need to be unpredictable in the right ways. Thoughtful, present, alive. That's how you turn a regular moment into a memory that lingers. 9. The man who challenges her illusion of control. Some women act like they want control, but deep down they crave balance. A man who won't just agree for peace. When a man allows her to steer everything, the pace, the direction, the tone, she loses respect. Even if she doesn't say it, the unforgettable man doesn't fight for dominance. He just leads naturally. When she tests him, he doesn't fold. When she pushes, he pushes back calmly. That strength unsettles her first, then attracts her. Because women respect what they can't manipulate. He reminds her that leadership isn't about shouting, it's about holding ground. Every no, every boundary, every calm pause says, I don't need control. I already have it over myself. That kind of man leaves a deep, lasting mark because he shows her something rare, quiet authority. 10th, the man who leaves a scar, not just a memory. Scars aren't always bad. Some are reminders of growth. The man she never forgets leaves one of those scars, not from cruelty, but from truth. He challenged her. He made her think. Maybe he walked away when she thought he wouldn't. Maybe he demanded honesty when she wasn't ready. That kind of impact doesn't fade. It changes her. She might hate him for a while, but later she respects him. Women forget the men who gave them everything easily. They remember the ones who made them feel. Because pain and respect carve deeper than comfort ever will. The unforgettable man isn't the one who played safe. He's the one who stood firm, said what others were scared to say, and taught her something real. You can't fake that kind of impact. It's earned through truth, courage, and self-control. And when you live like that, you don't just pass through her life. You stay there long after you're gone. Here's the bottom line. Women keep a ledger of feeling. It's not an itemized list of dinners or gifts. It's a record of times someone made her shift. Times she learned something about herself because of a man. If you want to be unforgettable, stop trying to be liked. Start living with boundaries, with control, with honest standards. Agree less. Respect yourself more. Make her earn your respect and her validation. Break her routine in ways that matter. Leave impact. Which one of these are you doing right now? Drop a comment. Tell a story. Were you the man she couldn't forget? Or were you the one who let yourself be erased? If you like this, hit subscribe on Brainily. We call out the soft truths most guys avoid.